Okay, hello. This is Scott St. Clair. I'm the manager of the Premium Product Group here at Investors Business Daily. Just want to give you a quick overview of the MarketSmith charts. These charts were first created in 1972 by William O'Neill. He wanted to provide a chart that not only had price and volume data, but most importantly to him was the fundamental data. Behind every chart was a company. One of my favorite things that Bill has said, and he said a lot of great things I like to quote, but he would say that really resonated with me. He'd say, a stock is not going to double or triple because of the chart. It's the products, the services they provide, which generate those huge earnings, the return on equity, the big sales revenue. And that's what attracts the big institutional money, and they're the ones that drive these stocks. So you can find the idea with a chart, and he often would look through hundreds, if not thousands, of charts on a weekend, but you really need that fundamental data to make a informed decision about that stock. So here I have a weekly chart. You can see we have different time frames up here, but I have a weekly chart of Axcelis Technologies, ACLS, and here's the price and volume with the volume bars, and each bar represents a single week. And I've got, so far, since I'm on the weekly, the percentage change for the week, how much the volume is up for the week, and I can get all that same information with a daily chart as well. So this would be today's daily action. ACLS reported earnings today. They were up 63%, or I should say they reported last night, and today was the first day where the market was open with a chance for the price to react to those earnings. So earnings were up 63%. You can see that little stamp we have on the chart. Down below here, we've got a quarterly earnings box. But if you go to a weekly chart, it just provides so much information to allow you to make an informed decision. So here are the last 8 quarters of earnings and sales, with the most recent quarter across the bottom. We have fund ownership. Are funds increasing or decreasing their positions, the number of funds, net, right? So in the last quarter over quarter, we had a net 20 funds increase their position. Are other stocks in the group doing well? This is very important. So AEHR has been a big winner so far. ATEY, which is over-the-counter Japanese semiconductor company, has done really well. ASML has been a big winner for a long time. So you have all this information right here. That way you can see quickly, are other stocks confirming the strength in the group? There are a lot of factors in here that we might not use to make a decision based on the CAN-SLIM criteria, but they're there for other people that might want to use them to make a decision, as far as like debt percentage, R&D, the alpha, the beta, the book value, et cetera. But most importantly, at least for me, as somebody who's a growth stock investor using the CAN-SLIM methodology, I've got the EPS rating, I've got the group relative strength rating. I also have the group strength right up here fairly quickly. I can see it's the number 42 group out of 197 at IBD. The SMR rating, the accumulation distribution, and so on and so forth. So a lot of information that I need to make a decision about a company is right here in this chart. Return on equity, which is a big factor. If you've read Bill's book, he talks a lot about return on equity. When we study model book stocks, the average return on equity of a stock that made a big move was 28%. This is information to help you really filter down to the best of the best when you're looking for stock ideas. Earnings per share growth rate, there's the annual 3 to 5 year earnings rate. And then annual earnings are here, along with the estimates, if that's something that you use. So everything you need to make an informed decision is right here in a single view. This is really what makes our stock charts so unique. Thanks a lot.